This time on Low Boost, I'm going to tell you guys an easy way to buy this electric ratchet wrench and a cool trick to get batteries for it. What's up, YouTube? If anybody knows me from watching the channel, you know I like to keep things as low budget as possible. That's why we're called Low Boost Films. But I'm a big Ryobi fan, and I like to get cheap tools as cheap as possible, and I like to share the best way to get some of the tools that I got, just to kind of share my experiences with you. However, I'm standing here holding a Milwaukee electric ratchet wrench because I was recently at my buddy's garage, Savage Speed Garage. Make sure you guys check them out. I'll put a link in the description below to their channel. They have a lot of great projects that they work on, and I saw them using this tool, and I felt like I was in the Stone Ages without it. So I'm going to share with you guys my experience here unboxing this and kind of give you a tip on how to make this tool as cheap as possible for you. So this is an electric ratchet, and I got it on Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description below for it. But the thing doesn't come with a battery. So you could spend, you can get these on Amazon. I think you can get them for like $115 to $125, maybe even less if you can find one pre-owned. And that's cheap, but without a battery, it kind of makes it difficult to use, right? Outside of just a hammer. It is Milwaukee, and Milwaukee obviously makes the best tools. And this stuff's not necessarily cheap. So, but I really feel like having something that can get into really tight, small spaces like this is perfect, especially with some of the cars that I work on, which are custom, which things are not normally supposed to go in there. You're not normally supposed to put an LS engine in a small ass BMW, but we do it, right? That's why we're here. So I'm gonna go over why this can be a hell of a lot cheaper with one other purchase. Here's the trick. Instead of buying just the battery or buying two batteries, which could cost 150 bucks, you can get this tool bag that has everything you need all inside of it for around $115 to $125, and I'll put the link in the description below to it so you guys can get it cheap. It's not just a bag though. It comes with a regular drill driver, a small impact gun, a battery charger, and two of their smaller batteries. Now, instead of spending all the money to get just the batteries, you kind of get a whole kit, and it gets the charger, and it comes in a pretty cool bag too. So this is a fantastic way, especially for somebody like me who's just starting out to own some Milwaukee tools. I don't have a battery, so buying just the electric ratchet, because I don't have that stuff. So this is a big help. And like I said before, having something like this that can get into really small, tiny spaces is awesome, because I mean I could undo all of my exhaust manifold bolts. I could get to really difficult stuff underneath the car. Woo! Yeah. Or especially like me, when I'm dealing with a turbo LS swap to BMW, which if you're into that kind of stuff, hit that subscribe button, because I do I try to do a video on this every week. I have a BMW M235 that I track, as well as we just picked up a C5 Corvette that's going to be a track build as well, and a couple other resto mods that I work on with my dad. 1970 Camaro Super Sport we're doing an LS swap in, and we have a 1953 Ford F100 pickup truck. So we have a lot of great content on the channel just for you guys. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you're into that stuff as well. And I'll always do more reviews on stuff that I think is impactful and helpful for you guys at home working in your shop on your cars. And I think this is going to be a great addition to my garage, and I think it will be to yours. So in addition to doing projects on all the cars like that, anytime I get an opportunity to give you guys a review and some tips on how to get some great tools for your garage, I'm going to make sure to do that as well. So thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.